Just waiting in line for a coffee like a little yuppie. Hey, thank you. Scared the shit out of me. Had to get a coffee because I just can't start my day without a coffee. No offense to anyone who just can't start your day without a coffee. It's the last thing I probably should be having. It's meant to be 31 degrees today. Should have bloody got an iced coffee now that I think about it. Oh God, this coffee smells like shit. Oh, you're joking. That is 2 degrees colder than what I asked for. It's funny though, because I know there's people like that out there. Oh, I only have mine using coffee beans picked by a king deep in the Amazon. Just shut up and drink your coffee. Yeah, so anyway, it's Monday. Son's at school, so I was going to have a lazy day at home. I need to mow the lawns and do some other things, but yeah, it's going to be such a nice day, so I thought stuff it. I can do that stuff later on this arvo, so I might as well make the most of it. Yeah, I don't want to go too far down the coast today. I'll just go down a little bit. I'm pretty keen to fly the drone actually, so I might make that my main focus for the day. I've just pulled up at 13th Beach and the car park's packed, which tells you straight away there's like good surf or whatever. The ocean looks so sick today. It's just so flat. The surf's not like real big or nothing, but it's real clean. I've just hopped out and had a bit of a look. I've decided I might do some filming with my good camera. Something I haven't done in a while. I just filmed a couple of little clips there at 13th Beach. It's funny, when there's things I haven't done for a long time, I always forget how fun they are. But yeah, I'm going to do more of that today, I reckon. Next stop will be, I think I'll stop at Bells Beach and have a little look there. I've got no doubt if 13th Beach was packed, yeah, Bells Beach is going to be chockers as well. Just coming through Anglesey at the moment. So far, I've stopped at 13th Beach, Bells Beach, and I've just left Point Addis. And I've done a little bit of filming with my good camera at all of those. Probably all going to look like the same footage. It's all the ocean. Alright, getting the drone out. Found a little spot. It's just right next to the Great Ocean Road on just one of those lookouts. This drone is currently my arch enemy. Since the last time I used it, that's when I cut my finger. I think that was on my 3rd video or something like that. Trying to land it in my hand, which I've done that many times, but yeah, I won't tell the story again. Just stupid the way I had my hand out, that's all. Stuck my little finger up and yeah. Caught one of the back blades. But nah, this time I'll use the solar panel on the roof of my ute. Yeah, it's the best spot for it to take off and land. Alright, off we go. Mission successful. No injuries this time. No, that was good. I think I got some pretty cool shots. I nearly lied today. I said I wasn't going to go too far down the coast, but I'm almost at Lorne. I'm about like 15 minutes away. I can see the town right from where I'm parked. I'm not going to go any further now. It's, what time is it? Shit, 12:40. I haven't even had lunch yet. I brought my own lunch, so I'm going to stop somewhere on the way back. eat that, and I think that'll do. Just gonna have some lunch at Moggs Creek picnic ground. I'm hoping it's not too packed here. It's beautiful day, so I won't be surprised if it is, but it's pretty, well, can't see any cars so far. Here we go, just around the bend. Oh, there's none. Not one other person. You beauty. I might go down here actually. Closer to the toilets, which I barely need. It's probably only my third time here, but every time I've come here, there's either no one here or like 1 or 2 cars max. That's all I've seen. It is during the week though, obviously. It's Monday, so most people are obviously at work. But being such a warm day, I'm surprised there's not more people here. Like, it's not that far off the Goshen Road. It's probably like a 2-minute drive. But yeah, it's generally everyone likes to stop at the main spots. But yeah, it's so nice and peaceful. How good is that? Probably the best lunchroom I've had in a while. I had Thai for dinner last night. I had green chicken curry, coconut rice. I ate all the good stuff though, so all I've got left was the rice, and I just poured some of the sauce from the curry onto it. It's still pretty good, but just sounds a bit plain. Little side note, today's the eve of my 40th birthday. Holy shit. How does that even happen? Not that I give a shit about like age or anything like that. If anything, I feel like I'm finally getting to know exactly what I want and like know what I want to do and things like that. It's funny though, when you're younger and you get older people telling you that, oh, time flies, you know, make the most of it. Yeah, you don't really think much of it. You just think, yeah, whatever. Time lasts forever. But yeah, like it really does. It really does go that quick, and that's why I'm so glad I finally started making these videos, because like I said in my first one, I wanted to do it so long ago, even though it's like, doesn't seem like anything special. And as I always say, I'm not trying to do anything with the whole YouTube thing, not trying to make anything of it. It's just something I always wanted to do. And I remember giving it a crack once, like on our way to go camping somewhere. Started talking to the camera and just switched it off. I thought, nah, stuff this feels too stupid. Yeah, now that I've been getting stuck into it, I've been putting one out every week. I think this is going to be my 8th one. And yeah, it's just the best feeling to like not give a shit. And I mean that in a good way. Like, but yeah, it's just good to not have that fear or be that paranoid thinking, oh, no one's going to watch these because, you know, I'm not doing anything fancy, or yeah, like I'm not going on crazy adventures or anything like that. Or you're not going to see me cooking up fancy meals on day trips and when we go camping, stuff like that. Like I'm eating rice, for Christ's sake. But yeah, it's just such a good feeling, and I'm kicking myself I didn't start doing something like this ages ago. But it doesn't matter, because better late than never. Like, I always just think there'll be nothing worse than getting towards the end and you look back thinking, oh fuck, like, why didn't I try that? Or, you know, just regret not giving certain things a crack or anything like that. But yeah, it's just such a freeing feeling just to stop giving a shit and just do whatever the hell it is you want to do. Just at least try, and, you know, don't give up either. Not that I'm any source of inspiration, because it's not like I've made it, or it's not like I've made anything for myself. I'm still doing a job I don't really like. So yeah, this is just all part of the process in the making of hopefully being able to take me somewhere else. But yeah, the best part is it's just purely for fun, and yeah, we'll just see what happens. But yeah, happy 40th to me for tomorrow. As you can see, I'm spending it with all my friends. Oh, there's a bird over there. At least someone's here. Nah, I'm not going to do anything anyway. I've never really do anything for birthdays. Probably go camping with my son or something. I want to go this weekend actually, but the weather's been shit. And it looks like it's going to be shit this weekend too. So we'll keep an eye on it though, because I really would love to go, and that'd be something probably a bit more enjoyable to watch as well, rather than, I feel like I'm probably doing the same thing all the time. Hopefully not. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Shut up. You can if you want, but I really don't care. You really don't have to.